Page 271, number 15, states determine the function that satisfies the given conditions. And we're told that the initial mass is 6/10 of a gram, doubling every 3 days. So we have to be careful with this one. It's going to be similar to a growth or decay function, but we have to take into account the fact that the growth only happens every 3 days. So when we're looking at 7 days or 11 days, we need to know what fractional part that is of 3 days. So if we incorporate that into our function, we can let the function determine the exact fractional part of 3 days it is. So the function will look like this. We'll have P of t will equal our initial amount, which is 0.6 grams. Doubling is 2 times every 3 days. So then we'll put t over 3 like that as the exponent, so that that will take care of the fractional part of 3 days. And then we'll just state that t is in days.